As the saying goes, the proof is in the pudding, okay? So in this video, I will not only show you how you can make money with this business model, but I will also tell you how you can easily get started today. You will not want to miss anything in this video, so stay tuned and listen to the entire video because I will tell you how I've used this exact research to start a business that is making me money right now without any ads or a website. Okay, so guys, please subscribe to my channel. These videos, they actually take a lot of time to create. It's actually taking me away from my family, guys, so please subscribe. Guys, this store has only been around for 1 year and it is already making 186 sales per day, and the total sales is 11,822 sales, and this, as I said, it's only 1 year. I would use the Etsy the E-rank and do a batch analysis and see its bestseller. Okay, so here we have the bestseller. As you can see, it is this lovely mug. In the past 7 days, there were 15 sales, as you can see here, with a total of 6,970 sales, all within a year. Well, this one was actually put up in September. All right, as you can see here, look at this. These are beautiful, and actually, so these are the birth flower, and you can actually choose which flower you would like to put on your jar. Okay, so this store, Spoken Gifts, it has been around for a while, 2017, and look at the weekly sales, guys. It has 599 sales, total sales over 95,000 sales, and all the products are, well, they have a total of 639 products, and these are a lot, right? As you can see, they have a few bestsellers right here, and they also have persons who actually have 20 in cart. As you can see here, that this store focuses on custom items or personalized gifts. So let us use the E-rank batch analysis and see what is selling right now. So this now, I ranked by the total sales. This is a bestseller in the Spoken Gifts store, and this is simply a noun, you know, that describes a person. Okay, and of course you'll have to insert a few things here for them when you are making the purchase, right? So you have different names you can put in here, and of course you will have to say what they do. Are they a great listener? Do they make you laugh? You can't live without them, so you'll have to put the 3 strengths about the person that you would like to emphasize, and this is a really cool idea. So let us look at the total sales. In the past 7 days, this product was sold 41 times. As you can see, the views are enormous. It's over 100,000. The total sales so far was 6,000, and this product was posted in 2021, March of 2021. Next, we have this store. It is Pumpkin Gift. I'm not sure if I'm saying this right. This store it has been around for a while, in 2018. Yes, and the weekly sales are 328 sales, sorry. So the weekly sales are 328, and the total items are 689. So as you can see here, they have quite a number of items that are selling right now. So as you can see in the Pumpkin Gift store, this item is actually the best seller. It is a lovely teddy bear, and you can actually put the child's name on it and, you know, have it personalized. And of course they will change up the year. So it is an Easter bunny, and you can put the child's name. My first Easter, so it's for a baby, a newborn, I'm assuming, and you can it can be for baby boy or baby girl, as you can see here. And in the past 7 days, this was sold 3 times with a total of 850 sales, and this product was only listed in 2021 of April. So as you can see, we have another bestseller here, and this bestseller is also a bridesmaid proposal bunny. I'm assuming it's a personalized gift, and you can actually insert the date of the I'm not sure what date this is. Okay, so this is a flower girl gift. So this is a personalized flower girl gift or flower boy gift. As you can see, there's no flower boy, but anyway, as you can see here, in the past 7 days, this item was sold 13 times. 13 times, guys. And it was listed in 2020, and the total sales so far is 5,371. And look at the views. Look at the views, over 300 and something views. All right, so this is a really good personalized gift that you can actually get into and start making money. Okay, guys, so this product here, this store, Willa Art Crafts, as you can see, in the past 7 days, 89 items were sold, and they mainly focus on jewelry, as you can see, but personalized jewelry, as you can see here. And this store is only 1 year old. So let us look at the bestseller. And as you can see, the bestseller of these here, we have this. Okay, so these lovely necklaces, and please do not use Mickey Mouse or anything that is copyrighted, because your store will get banned or shut down. So although this is a hot seller, put something else at the end, probably a simple butterfly or bunny or something like that. Okay, and in the past 7 days it has made 1 sale, but remember, this is a new store, and this listing was only in May of last year, and the total sales so far is 993 sales. So this store is doing pretty good. And also, I would like to look at this item here, which is also a hot seller. Right, so this item is really lovely. It's pretty good. It's a really good seller, and it is a simple I think this is probably a bud flower engraving. Yes, the bud flower, which is lovely. So you can actually choose what flower you would like to put an item and have it engraved. Okay, so in the past 7 days, this was sold 20 times, and the total sales so far is 455. So remember, it is just about finding the right product, and this was only posted in October of 2022. Okay, so I would like to look at this bestseller here, and this is lovely. It's a lovely mug. It's a lovely mug. The video is awesome, right? It is giving you a 360 view, a 360-degree view. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but it is showing you what the mug would look like all around, fully printed out. Okay, and as you can see, in the past 7 days it was sold 5 times, and the total sales so far 432 times. And this was only posted or listed in September of 2022. This is an awesome mug. Okay, guys, so as you can see, you can easily use research tools to get started on your journey. Just knowing what any research tool would do, and basically that's what you have to do, you know, research and see what works. Okay, and look, they also have a coaster that you can actually purchase here as well, so you can have the mug and the coaster. Guys, if you would like to see how you can easily create your own print-on-demand store, let me know. Please let me know below, and I can create a video showing you the entire process. Okay? Guys, so in order to do this, you simply go into Canva and you type in mugs. This is the quickest way I can get templates. Sorry. Okay, so a ton of these come up. You can easily choose one of these, or you can use a blank. Okay, so let us use this one here and customize this. Okay, so basically it will show you how this will look on a mug. All right, so let us go into elements and look for bud flower. Okay, I don't think they have that here, but anyway, let us use just a simple flower. So we will remove this and put something like this, and of course just leave the name. All right, and we can actually write something else. Yeah, that's the Caribbean Beauty. Okay, so what you can see, if you move it to the side, it will basically cut off because the printing area is a bit small. So I will minimize that. See, as you can see, it has been cut off. So let us just change the font, make this smaller and center. And I think we have something good right here, right? And this is at the back. Okay, so what we'll do is go into download now and download a PNG transparent background. Okay, and I will now select on start designing. Okay, so I will go into custom my design and insert my design here. Okay, so this is how the design will look. If I want, I can make an adjustment to it. Okay, and we can also preview. So this is how the design will look. Okay, and they also provided several different pictures with different markups giving you, that will give you a good idea of how the mug will look. Okay, so basically these are the pictures that you can actually use for your markup. Okay, so these are what you can use for your markup. It is simple and easy to create print-on-demand products using Printify, Printful, and a whole set of other options, and a whole lot of other options are available. Okay, guys, so people are making a lot of money with personalized products or custom products, and I would like to share how I have made over $1,200 in 1 month with these custom products. Okay, so basically in the video I have showed you how you can easily do the research and see what sells, right? So since for a while now, I have been looking at these custom products and I have tested it out in my local country, and it was selling like hotcakes, literally. So I have since expanded into offering these products, guys, and it is selling on its own. I don't have to do any advertising and so forth. So I'm just telling you this because everything that I'm showing you, right? Yes, I have done the research and I can actually see the potential. So I will not share something that doesn't have potential to make you money. Okay, I sincerely want to help you guys, and the proof is in the pudding, right? As you can see, if the Etsy store is not making, then persons will not continue with business. They will not continue trying, and it will not have several different sellers offering probably similar items. Okay, and I saw that, and I have decided to create my own website and sell custom products, and it is working. You do not only have to sell on Etsy. I know a lot of persons think that they must have a website on Etsy, and they cannot have their own website. You can have your own website, drive sale to your own website. Okay, start local. I started local in my country here, and it is working. I'm actually making a pretty good living selling my custom products. Okay, and I've bought a machine where I can actually make the necklaces myself instead of having to import, because I live on an island. And guys, it is working. So I would like you to peruse the other videos on my channel, because they are very informative. And as I said before, I will not share something that is not working, guys. So guys, if you want to start your own print-on-demand store, you can easily choose any of the products that I've shown you here, or all of them, and start selling these today. Okay, But here's a juicy tip, guys, right? For instance, if I was living in the US or Europe or a large country, I would actually do my own print on demand from home first, right? So for example, this tumbler that I am showing you right now here, I've been searching a print on demand company that sells that, and none of them sell that, right? And this company is making a ton of money with this. So what if you can bring in your own item, at least a few, probably 50, and you use your Cricut or whatever machine to do your own printing, right? I think that's a pretty cool idea. You do your own printing. And I think a lot of people will go to print on demand to avoid the hassle and so forth. Yes, but when you're just starting out, you have to start small and start slowly, okay? So yes, you can make a lot of money by doing the work yourself, and then when you know that you're getting hundreds a week, then you can say, okay, let us outsource this to a print on demand company. We know that it is working. All right, so you've already tested out, you brought a new product, right? And this is also a new product that I have never seen either. This mug, it is unique looking, ceramic, pretty color, and this is something again that somebody has tested, it worked, and they have continued bringing the item in. And the same thing with my necklaces. I have been trying and experimenting, testing out different necklaces that I think looks beautiful, and trust me guys, I do have an eye for niceness. So basically, persons really like my style, and all my items sell. So guys, I'm not gonna tell you whether to do this or not, right? When I do the research and I think I can do this and at least start it in my country, I just go ahead and start, right? But you have a bigger market, and I will encourage you to find a unique product and do some sort of personalization. People love to give personal gifts with somebody's name or saying something really romantic, or so guys, do not let this opportunity miss you, okay? Don't. This is a very good tip, a very good business idea, and I think you should run with it. So as you can see, selling custom print on demand products is a way to earn extra income, right? So with the right research and strategy, it is possible to create over $400 per month or more by using the tips and techniques that I have shared with you in this video, okay? So therefore, you can easily go and get started creating your own print on demand store today, okay? So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, right, for more informative content like this. If you want to see how I have made over $1,200 with no ads, no website, then please watch this video next.